All right, some of the again, my opinionated peeps to talk to you about what go on in a Jamaica and how the Jamaicans, well, not the Jamaicans, some Jamaicans are carry on during this time, right? Now, from the previous video when I show you with the people them in a Rima and all of that, or them, still a run up and down and a fight and a carry on in the street, even in the presence of the authorities, right? It shows that persons in Jamaica are not understanding the seriousness of this coronavirus, right? So several entertainers, several celebrities, several persons with impact, right, have been speaking out about this thing. And Ding Dong, which is a Jamaican entertainer, has also spoken out about this. So make we take a listen to what Ding Dong have to say.
See, when I look and see the video them, nobody no love road like me. Every night I go road, because I road me say. And I have to find myself, and I have to take myself off of the road. You understand? I have to take myself off of the road completely and lock in my house. Me I don't want house, man, but me have to do it for the safety of myself and my surroundings and other people out there. Me have to do it. So it me I tell the people them, my inner city people them, my real inner city garrison ghetto people them, and everybody else it refer to. But me I send this now to my inner city people them. We're in the garrison. Seeing? We're not untouchable by this. Stop feel like say it now go come down there so because through certain money na reach down in the ghetto and certain opportunity na reach down in the ghetto, you feel like say this now go reach down in the ghetto. It a go reach down there. If you go on like we are here that it a go reach down there. You see me? And then now you have some people now I could tell you the reality of the thing, blood. If you're looking at Italy, if you're looking at Europe section, looking at America now, America coming like a brother and sister, you know, America, you know, because we have a whole heap of family we live there, you know, and look how the thing I deal with America now. You understand me? I say to you, when you talk the truth, you have people get offended when you talk the truth. Bro, if we not follow protocols, enough of we are go dead. Enough of we are go dead. Because that's something you not play if you kill people, blood. It not play if you kill people. And then, watch out now. When you talk the truth now, you hear people say, Ding Dong, so why you full up the people them of fear? Why you bring fear to the people them? Why we bring fear to the people them? If you tell the people them the truth. So okay, you raise your picnic them. See? And fire the right the son. And your daughter or your son even aware so that is fire and what the dangers of fire can do to you or the harm of fire can do to your son. Say them want to run through the fire. You now go stop them from run through the fire and tell them and explain to them the nature of what fire can do to you and burn off your skin and kill you. You now go tell your picnic that. So what you have to do? Tell the picnic say no. If you go through the fire, it go freeze like ice. And tell the picnic lie. So I don't understand. What you try to say? We're not supposed to talk the truth, or we're not supposed to educate people about the truth or make people aware of the truth. You rather so when them tell a lie now, it come like when the government now say I tell us say no, it's not so serious or it's not so rare. Zine? I want to say the government a lie, because them not tell the truth what go on and where the disease come, the virus come from, or where this come from, and and the government a liar and So when the government are telling the truth now, I want to say the government a put fear in the people. You're dumb. Yeah? You're dumb. Is in. I'm gonna tell some man this too. You see me? I'm gonna tell you this too. Tell some man this too. Cause some man out there wanna have a whole heap of on the fan base big. On the fan base big and have a whole heap of people who are follow and have a whole heap of people who listen. tell some man this too. Big up yourself in a cold. See chap, I tell some man this too. Cause someone have some platform big. And bigger than even my one too. And have bigger fan base. You see me? And have bigger fan base than me. I mean I hear someone talk, you know. I mean I hear someone try to reach out to the people and say, yo, no hold it inside and I'm going ray, you know. I mean I hear someone chat, you know. I hear someone chatting up. I tell someone this, you know. Someone, you know. I tell someone this. I hear someone chat about that, you know. You hear me? I tell you, know. Oh, now one of the time for Ray, and segregation as artists and we don't have to deal with no one that need that, you know. Because of the people, they want to reach out to full fan base. So they reach out to the fan base and try to educate them about the thing and bring awareness to the thing. And stop sitting on the yard and going like so a clown boy. Yeah. That me I tell someone kind of go like say, wanna know the seriousness of the thing and ray. So if the word the people them lockdown boy and can't come out and the people them sick off boy and nothing can't keep boy. Only things survive boy. Only music survive boy. Only get work. Only travel for the nothing at all. Wanna sit down on a boy, wanna sit down someone wanna sit down and not say nothing at all, you know. Oh. Someone sit down and not say nothing at all and nothing at all. Make one voice be heard to the people them because some of the people them look up to someone and listen to no one talk and someone ignorant fool fans were out there to look a biggie that fans someone to where promote man fear clash now and man fear war with the money and man fear war with the money and ray because we listen to ignorance and that we in tune to, you know, ignorance. Man, they fear war with a man de. Man, they fear do a song and this up the man de. This up what? Go spread the word for the people I'm staying in them yard. I say all the video be people a war over bread yesterday, blood. A war over bread in a supermarket. Which people that together a war over bread, blood. And then now we sit down and we laugh about it and we ray like we don't realize the nature of the thing where it will reach, blood. We don't realize where it will reach. You don't realize when it will reach. A looting go start going then. Because if a man start war over bread now, a looting go start going. A man go broken on the business places them wanna have. Man go rob the taxi man them. Like we use the platform and talk to the people them. We want war and we want ray. We are human beings, of course we are human beings. The whole away. That's why you have intelligent ones and dunce ones. Big up to everybody where I play them part, we are do something.
So the part the wedding dance say, where you must say you have intelligent people and then you have the dunce one them. May I go stress it a little bit. You have intelligent people and then you have the one them with dunce. You have some people, you know, you will lay out things in front of them as clear as day and them still no get it. Them still no understand or them still try if no understand intentionally, right? Because them believe what them believe and nothing you say can't change them focus or them mind, right? That is how some dunce people operate. And Ding Dong talk about them. And then the next point where Ding Dong touch too are the part where some artists right now out there a chat bout say them want clash and them a drop this song off of the money and the Monday. I mean, not call no artist name because that is irrelevant right now. But you have a platform. Use your platform to educate your fellow Jamaicans, educate your people of this seriousness we are going right now. Now is not the time for talk about yo, you drop no this song and you war with the money and Rere. And then even certain vloggers on YouTube, me see I do it too. Them a talk about yo, the place boring right now. We need to hear about the money and this, the Monday and the Monday a clash the Monday. No, it's not the time for that. No, it's the time for we try to educate the people them who simply is not knowledgeable of this thing we are going on right now. Right? Now is the time where we need every voice we can speak up for speak up. Watch now, man, people. Talk to me in the comment section. Come I always tell you already. These are just my opinion and your opinion matters.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.